When the sun comes up on the mountain peaks, the trap chains jingle and the saddle leather creaks. I'll follow the furrow and I'll grub in the burrow, and I'll pack out the soft felt furs, while boil my billy when the nights are chilly and the old tabby camp cat purrs. There's a black billy pot by my campfire, tucker bag and roll beside. There's a bow-legged bony old pack horse, and a dog pack my pleasure and pride. When the sun comes up on the mountain peaks, the trap chains jingle and the saddle leather creaks. I'll follow the furrow and the grub in the burrow, and I'll pack out the soft felt furs, while I boil a billy when the nights are chilly and the old tabby camp cat purrs. Yes, a rabbiter's life may be lonely out here on the frost-bitten hills, but a horse and his dog's a great company. Solitude cures all ills. When the sun comes up on the mountain peaks, the trap chains jingle and the saddle leather creaks. I'll follow the furrow and I'll grub in the burrow, and I'll pack out those soft felt furs, while I boil a billy when the nights are chilly and the old tabby camp cat purrs, and the old tabby camp cat purrs.